What's going on, everyone? So today we're going to be going to our 9-bedroom villa that we have in Jeddah. We have to replace the pool heater. As you can see behind me, we have a $3,000 box back there. That's how much it costs to replace a pool heater. We have guests checking out today and then another group checking in at 5. So we have about 6 hours to replace this. Also, we'll be checking the house, see if it needs any repairs. It's been about a month since we've been there last, so want to make sure that everything is still in good condition, nothing needs repaired. We're going to head out to the house now. Not really happy about having spent $3,000 when we just put in one about 2 to 2.5 years ago. And of course the guy told us, oh yeah, this thing is going to last for 5-8 years. 2 years later, we started having issues with it. Had to repair it a couple times. So that just goes to show, be careful here. Don't trust anyone with what they say. It's better to buy brand new with like a warranty. This was technically, it was used, but technically like he only used it for like a month. And obviously that's not true because it only lasted us 2 years before it started breaking down. But yeah, we're gonna go and head out. We'll see you guys at the house. Llegamos. We don't know.
Hello.
How's it going? Hola. ¿Qué estás? Cleaning the pool.
¿Está fría?
Bastante.
Sí.
No, pero está buena.
Sí.
Está bien buena.
Está bueno. Eso es bueno para la circulación.
Claro. Sí, la mandó el médico.
Clean pool.
Clean pool.
Happy guests.
Happy guest. New heater.
Behind the scenes, Airbnb.
Okay, well, I'm gonna go now.
Transito trying to make everyone move. Even though this is in front of our house. Blood, sweat, and tears of running an Airbnb business. It's where we keep all the drinks for the fridge. If you haven't had these electrolytes, especially the flavor uva, so good. So now we're gonna lower this into the bottom.
Ese lo voy a pasar para allá, para el fondo. Pero me toca salir a conseguir más accesorios. Y esos accesorios un poquito demorados. Porque tengo que ir a donde los
Porque nosotros necesitamos que lo quede listo hoy.
I don't think it takes. It don't come till 5. He has time. We had a roadblock installing the pool heater. He has to go get more parts. It's kind of hard to see, but the old one is where this new one is, but he has to install it back here. So he has to go and buy more tube so that it has like a exit to this through the wall for the gas. But yeah, this is what a pool room looks like. A pool, you gotta have all these pipes for the water, and also to filter. This is like the filtration system.
Guys,
Finally, I can ship you away. Get rid of you.
you're gonna ship me back to Bogota?
Yeah.
Like
That's the plan. Get in there. Ship her back to Bogota.
Lover, I fit here.
Ciao. And so also we're thinking about putting a washer dryer unit here. Ours is like one of the only, well, more Airbnbs are getting like washer dryer units. So we're actually missing that amenity. That's definitely something that we need to add. You have to compete with the other Airbnbs. So what we have to do is run a water line. There's an old shower in this room. It's not open, but this used to be a bathroom and they had a shower there. We're gonna run water lines through the wall over to here. It'll fit perfectly in this corner. Because of the 2-in-1 units, it uses steam, so you don't have to have like an outlet for the air. Another thing that we're thinking about doing is putting in a barbecue over here on this balcony. This is kind of like dead space right now. We'll make better use of this space, probably put in like a built-in barbecue all along here, and then maybe here, a couple chairs. And so pro tip with dealing with contractors is always tell them that it has to be done like 2 hours before it actually has to be done, because it always ends up taking them 1 or 2 hours more. So like with the pool, we have guests arriving at 6. He has to go get more parts and do some other stuff. And so we told him it has to be done by 4. And
because Colombians don't have a serious
Yeah.
emergency.
Colombians don't have a sense of, you heard it from her first, they don't have a sense of urgency or anything. So yeah, just say it's got to be done 2 hours before, or if you're meeting someone, friend, a date, whatever, you need to set the appointment half hour to an hour earlier than it like actually is. So you'll show up like an hour later than you're supposed to. So yeah, now we're just waiting for that to get done. That's all we plan for now, is just putting in a barbecue and also the washer dryer. That won't cost too much. Put the lines in, it would be 1.2, which is about $300 plus the unit. And this I don't think would be too expensive either, but it would add a lot of value to the property. Okay, so he's down there finishing the installation of the pool heater. Hopefully he finishes this within the next 2 hours before the guests come. Okay, so 2 weeks later, we have the washer dryer. This is an update. We actually took the water line, they took it from inside this wall here. There was a water line going up, I assume to the showers on the top floors. So they drew from there. We put in a new electrical here. Here's the new water line. And this is washer and dryer. These are really nice if you're in a tight space. And then we'll go up show you the new pool heater too. It's hot. It feels, ooh, it's like jacuzzi temperature. But yeah, an update on the pool heater. He was able to get it done before the guests came. So that was huge that we were able to escape this without any like bad reviews or like, you know, not having a warm pool. Because when there's no pool heater, it gets like ice cold and like you can't even swim in it. Because we started out not having a pool heater, and yeah, we tried to like go in and we swam and it was like ice cold. And so this is what the finished product looks like of the pool heater. That's the new one back there. Here's the old one that we gotta try to sell the parts of to get some money from. And this is the filtration system. And last but not least, we have finally a new inflatable. We got this like a year ago, but the guests always end up like popping it. So we got this brand. It's Fun Boy. It's supposed to be like a way better brand. You can tell it's like really thick, the plastic. So hopefully this lasts longer. So this is the final product. Finally, we get the Patagucci back. It makes such a difference.
Yeah, I know. Back to the water.
Much better quality too, like thicker plastic.
Yeah.
So should last for longer. But you gotta have one of these like for when you have girls over. It's like the most Instagrammable thing you can have.
But everyone that comes here, they are always asking for the...
Yeah, because then, so when we did the photos, when we first did the house, we had one just like that. And yeah, they popped it. We decided not to get one because we got like 3 of them. They popped all 3 in like the first 4 months or something like that. So we just didn't get one for a while. And every guest asked for that. So yeah, golden Gucci. But yeah, we should do a video with like some models and that would pop off. That does it for this video. That'd just be interesting to show you kind of like some of the behind the scenes of running an Airbnb business, things that you have to run into, you know, pool heater going down, having to spend $3K on that. Also just like some renovations that we do here and there. If you have any more questions about doing Airbnb in Colombia or real estate in general in Colombia, there's a link down in the description where you can book a call with me and my team, and we'll show you how we can help you out here in Colombia. We have a pretty extensive like list of contacts and resources here in Colombia that's super helpful. So you don't have to go through some of the same mistakes and losing all the money that we lost when we first started out here. Yeah, that is it for this video. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in the next video.